How to share a shopping cart on Amazon. Let's get started. Launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Firstly, what you can do is add the items to the cart. So I'm going to select this one item. After you select the item, scrolling down, you'll find the option of Add to Cart. Click on it. After you are done adding items to the cart, click on this cart icon given at the bottom. You will land to the cart page. Now here you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now how to share a shopping cart. For that, you can hit towards this option of share. I'm going to share this one item. With that, you'll get this pop-up. Here you will find your friend list. Likewise, here you're going to find different app options. You can share your shopping cart using these apps. Or also clicking on this option of copy. You just copy the link of this item. Now I can send it. Well, this way you can easily share a shopping cart on Amazon. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.